From www.alessandrobellafiore.com, look for the Libro download page and click on the link. This will start the download of the installer, which is about 12 MB. Once the download is finished, you will have an installer like this. Just double-click on the icon. You may be prompted some security warning, just click on Run. The installation process then starts. It is important for this release of Libro that you do not install it in the Program Files folder, but go up until you can access your User folder, and then you can just create a folder for Libro. Click Next. You may be prompted another security warning. Click Yes to continue. Now the installation process will copy the files in the folder you have created. The installer of Libro will create a convenient shortcut on your desktop, which you can use to start the application. You can also use the application itself, which you can find in the folder you have created. Once the installation process is completed, click on Finish. Here is the shortcut you can use to start Libro. Double-click to start Libro for the first time. A message is prompted informing you that the database for your catalog is going to be created. This message will show only on the first start of Libro. This is the main screen of Libro. In the next video we will explore some functionality and features of the program. Thank you for watching.